tutaanza. Immunity ni nini? This is a way, ability for our bodies to be able to fight diseases, for us not to get sick. One way of supporting in our immune system, it is by eating well-balanced food. Number 2, exercising. I had Madam telling us here to exercise. It is one way of supporting our immune system. Number 3, it is drinking enough water. Some of us wait until you are thirsty, that is when you drink water. So I will start with eating well-balanced food. So why do we eat? Why do we eat? We eat to live, very good. Number 2, why do we eat? To get energy. We eat to grow. These kids, if they don't eat, they won't grow. Sindio? Yeah, so we eat to grow. We eat to stay healthy. We also eat to be alive. The food that we eat should have the following contents. Should have carbohydrates, that is energy-giving food. It should also have proteins, that is body-building food. It should also have vitamins, which is protective food. We start with carbohydrates. This is the food, just as I have said, it is energy-giving. This is the food that gives us energy to carry out daily activities. Wakati hao watoto wanacheza, they need energy. Wakati yupo pale ofisini, you need energy. Mwenye anaenda shambani, anahitaji energy. So we get energy from carbohydrates. Then proteins build our bodies, thus enabling us to grow. So our body cells multiply, they grow because of proteins. Then we have, from proteins, we have both animal protein and the plant protein. Examples of animal proteins ni nyama, the pork, the mutton, the beef, the eggs, the milk, all those. Then we have the plant proteins, the peas, mbosho, the beans, and all those. Then we have vitamins. These are all fruits and vegetables, and they protect us from diseases. So it is very important to note that it is vitamins that protect us from, yeah. So we come to the portions. How are you supposed to eat that? Si ati chakula chenye unakula ni ugali tu, because carbohydrates is food. Ama ni proteins tu, ni nyama peke yake, because it is food. No, we have portions. We start with proteins. How much protein are you supposed to consume in a meal? Kila mtu afanye hivi. Kuna watu hawainui mkono vizuri. It's part of exercise. Inua mkono vizuri. So the protein that you are supposed to eat should be of the size of your palm. This is your palm. So whichever meat you are taking, the peas you are taking, the beans you are taking should be the size of your palm. We go to the carbohydrates. Kila mtu afanye hivi. This is your feast. The amount of carbohydrates you're supposed to take in a meal should be the size of your feast. Tunaelewana hapo? Then we have the vitamins. This is the fruits and vegetables. Very important, because we say that we are here to protect our bodies from getting sick. Sindio? Na tumesema that it is the vitamins that protect our bodies from getting diseases. So kila mtu afanye hivi mikono yake miwili. So the two palms together, that is the amount of vitamins that you are supposed to take in every meal. One palm for the vegetables and the other palm for the fruits. Tumeelewana hadi hapo? Yeah, we continue. So you ensure that anytime you are taking your meals, be it breakfast. How many meals do we take in a day? 3. We have breakfast. Yo nyingine? Lunch. The last one? Supper. Very good. We have 3 meals in a day. Wakati you are taking your breakfast, make sure to have all the 3. The proteins, the carbohydrates, and the vitamin in the right portions. Lunch, the same. Supper, the same. We go to exercise. Tunaambiwa turuke, wengine hawezi kuruka. Na si kukata, hawawezi kuruka. Wanashindwa kabisa kuruka. This is how important exercise is. Most of us, many people, are at risk of getting chronic diseases. Which are these chronic diseases? Diseases like diabetes, ugonjwa wa kisukari, cardiovascular problems, shida ya roho. And these problems are brought about by the lifestyle, yale maisha ambayo tunaishi. So it is very important for us to exercise, for us to make sure that we are free from these chronic diseases. We look at the benefits of exercise. Number 1, exercise helps us to get good mental health because it enables you to relax. In this life we are living today, kila mtu ako na stress zake. Ukisema huna, kuongea ukweli utakuwa unadanganya. Sivyo? Kila mtu ako tu na kitu ambacho kimemsukuma kwa ukuta. Whenever you exercise, your mind relax. Thus, you have good mental health. Number 2, weight management. Unaenda hospitali, unapimwa BMI. Unapatikana, unaambiwa you are obese, ama you are overweight. Your height and your weight, they are not matching. So whenever you exercise, your weight is managed well. Number 3, it increases fitness. Number 4, reduces blood pressure. Nowadays, blood pressure has become a very, very common problem. 3 people out of 10 wako na shida ya blood pressure. So it is good to exercise in order for us to avoid to reduce the blood pressure. Number 5, reduce cholesterol levels. It helps you to burn the cholesterol levels in your body. It also gives us cardiovascular fitness. Inasaidia roho to be able to pump the blood well. Then it improves sleep. Whenever you exercise, your body relax. Ukitoka ku exercise, you take a shower, you are able to sleep very well. Ukitembea for long distance, walking is part of exercising. Hata kama haikuwa planned, it was not planned exercise. Wakati umetembea for a very long distance, then ufike nyumbani, you take a shower, you sleep very well. True or false? Yeah, so it improves our sleep. Then we have examples of aerobic exercise. Si lazima kila asubuhi umeamka kukimbia. We have other examples. So we have jogging, swimming. Whenever you go for swimming, whenever you take your young one for swimming, it is part of exercise. Walking. Squeezy pikipiki ziko. People don't walk. But walking is very healthy. It is very good. It is part of exercise. Gardening. Wakulima shambani. Wachache sana wako na mashida kama haya ambao tunazungumzia hapa, because gardening is also another exercise. Then we have dancing. The 3 girls who have danced very well here, it was part of exercise. Then we have cycling. If you have a bicycle, cycling is part of exercise. Then we go to the 3rd and the very last part. It is hydration. Hydration is intake of water. How much water do you take every day? How much water are you supposed to consume every day? An adult human being should consume at least means kwa kiwango cha chini, 8 glasses of water every day. But some of us say, mimi sihisi kiu. Some of us believe that lazima unywe maji wakati umehisi kiu, but that should not be the case. Water is very important in our body because the highest percentage of blood is made by water, and it is very, very important in our body. So one should consume 8 glasses of water every day. Do not wait until you're thirsty to drink water. We have some benefits of water intake. Number 1, whenever you take water, you will bear me witness that whenever you take a lot of water, you rush to the latrine very many times. Indio? That urinating, it is a way of cleaning your body. It is a way of getting rid of the waste in your body through urination. Number 2, it also supports the digestive system. Whenever you take a lot of water, you find that you don't have problems with your digestive system. You don't have constipation and all that. Then number 3, it regulates body temperatures. When the temperatures are very high, you are advised to take a lot of water. because it regulates the body temperatures. Then it is also part of the saliva and the mucus. The mucus is in very many parts of our bodies that I will not mention here, but there are so many. So it is very important that we take water regularly and we take it in the correct amount. The layman says, an apple a day, Ambia the father in the house, keep healthy. Hata kama you are not a father, you are a potential father. Ambia mwenye ako karibu na wewe, keep healthy. Happy Father's Day.